In this video, we are going to how to create a custom chart for ourselves and use that custom chart in all the data which we have. Say we have a requirement that the chart for this data as well as the data in the sheet 2 both have to look same. Now it may involve a number of steps which we will need to repeat. So what we can do is basically we can create a personalized chart for ourselves. Say we select this data, then can insert a chart using going to tab insert. There, say for this data we are going to insert a 2D column chart. Now there are certain things which we need to do for this. X-axis is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want that to be the years 2020, 21 and so on. So what we need to do is first select the chart. Now when we select the chart, two extra tabs open up: chart design and format. In chart design, you have end data, select data. Select the data. Here you can see the horizontal category axis labels. So click on that, edit, and select 2020 to 2024 there. Click OK. Now you can see, and then click OK again. Rest of the data is okay. So now you can see instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, the years 2020 to 24 have come. Now how we want to personalize this chart? Say we want chart title at the top, that is okay. Moreover, what we want is data labels. So click on plus, that will open chart elements, and in chart elements click data labels. So the data label values will start showing up. Now since data label values have started showing up, we don't need this y-axis values. So you can delete this, select it and delete. Similarly, if we already know the values, we don't need this horizontal grid lines. So delete that also. Now our chart looks like this. Moreover, over and above this, say we want to add trend lines for the element number A, the item number A. So click on chart elements. It will open that chart element part, and there you have trend line. In trend line, if you click on this side arrow, you will see linear. Click on linear. Then it will ask you which data you want to have trend line for, A or B. So we are selecting A for as of now. Now you can see the trend line has been drawn, but that trend line is very thin. So what we can do, which is not visible, so what we can do is we select that trend line and go to format. In the format, we go to shape styles. In the shape outline, in weight, make the thickness of the trend line more, make it 2 1/4 points. If you want to change the dashes, etc., that can also be done. Say we select this one, or say we select this one. So this is our trend line which is showing in between. We want to say make the uh, color of the values having the blue, the data A, blue in color. So we can select the color. Say we select this color or a darker one. For the other series, we can select, say, the orange color. So these type of changes, say, we are making up in the data. The way we can modify our chart. and say we want all our charts to look like this. So what we need to do is now select this chart, right click. In the window which opens, you can see Save as Template. So you click on Save as Template, it will open a window. So the default location for saving the templates for the charts is Microsoft Template Chart, which will come in Windows C. We don't, if you want to save it somewhere else, you can do that. As of now, we are doing it here. So save it. So this template, this particular way of making the chart has been saved. Now what we need to do is go to, say we want to create a chart, similar looking chart from the data sheet 2. We select the data, then go to insert, and in insert, instead of selecting this column chart this time, under charts, on the side there is a side arrow. We click on that. So it will open a window. This window. The same window can be opened by clicking on quick analysis, where we can have charts. And in charts, we will have to click on more. So it will open the same window. Now, don't use the recommended charts. We want to use the template which we have created. So click on all charts. There in templates, you will see chart 1. So this was the template which we have used. Now click on OK. So this creates the chart, similar looking chart based on the data which is now here. The only change you will need to do is with respect to the horizontal x-axis. So select the chart, go to chart design, select data. In that horizontal axis labels, you select the years. Click OK and again click OK. So now you can see you have created another chart which is having the which is looking similar to the first one in terms of color, design elements, the things which you have selected, data label values, no horizontal lines, grid lines, etc. Including with the trend line, linear trend line for data, which is the first one. In the previous one, it was A, here it was C. So you see a linear trend line for data for C. So in this way, you can create a template for your charts, which can be used again and again. This will help you in cases where you are supposed to make similar looking charts week in, week out. And so it is a very good way to customize the chart which you are using as per your own choices. I hope this usage of chart templates is clear to you. Thank you.